This is Ian Davies in Queensland, Australia. I want to tell you more today about our wonderful company called Cerule. Cerule is a biotech company that has scientifically proven one-of-a-kind products that make such a difference in people's lives. We have products for the body, we have products for the skin, and it is truly life-changing. Today I want to talk about one of our flagship products called StemEnhance. StemEnhance is scientifically proven to help your body release millions more of your own stem cells out of your own bone marrow into the bloodstream. And the more stem cells you have in the bloodstream, the more your body has the potential to renew, repair, restore, regenerate, and it helps put you in an anabolic state because the most anabolic cell in the body is a stem cell. Let me explain more about stem cells. When I first discovered our product, I was working hard as a carpenter. And what I used to do as a carpenter, I used to help renew old houses. And if the house had an old bathroom, an old kitchen, or a hole in the roof, I could go in and put a brand new bathroom, a brand new kitchen, a brand new roof on the house. And that's exactly how your stem cells work, because your body's always breaking down, it's always renewing. Every day we do that. And what renews your body are your stem cells. But the challenge is after the age of 25 or so, your own stem cells start to get more adhered or stuck or glued to your bone marrow by about 5% a year. So by the time you're about 60, 65 years old, you've got 90% less stem cells available in the bloodstream. That is why when you're young, you break a bone, for example, the bone regenerates very quickly. But later in life, if we break a bone, it doesn't renew so quick or at such a high level because we don't have enough stem cells. So what our product does, it's scientifically proven through published studies to help your body release between 4 to 9 million more stem cells, which is about 25 to 30% more stem cells into your bloodstream. And that can make an awful lot of a difference. Another example of that is half the Americans in the United States who go bankrupt. If they only had an extra $300 a month, they wouldn't need to go bankrupt. So if you're able to put an extra 30% more stem cells into your health bank account every day, can that make a difference? Well, even the New England Journal of Medicine has published an article that states probably the best indicator of cardiovascular health, more than anything else, is dependent on the numbers of circulating stem cells in the bloodstream. But stem cells not just renew heart, they renew every tissue, every organ and every function. And many diseases really are your organs stopping to function. A lot of disease you could say is cellular loss, tissue loss or function loss. And what renews your cells, your tissues and your function, it's your stem cells. So here we have one of the most powerful, most foundational, most life-giving products that I've ever discovered in my whole lifetime. And along with that, we have the most remarkable home-based business as a side effect of sharing these wonderful products with others. So I love Cerule. Even the name means blue and green. We live on a blue-green planet, and our products are very much from a blue-green algae, and it really is the foundation of life. And these products give us our life and can make an awful difference. And I implore anyone to try our wonderful Cerule product line. I love Cerule.